So if you're finding it a challenge to raise funds for your next property project in the area you live in because the prices are just far too high, you're going to want to join me on my next up and coming free workshop on how to invest in BRR property remotely and live on your terms. And here's why. The strategic advantage of investing locally or within an hour from where you live is zero if you can't afford a deposit, because you're never going to get started. So for around a decade now, I've been investing in the northeast and I live in the southeast. I've been doing this all remotely. I didn't move to the area. I've been able to set up systems, procedure and processes to be able to run this business from my phone anywhere, not just from the north to the south, from the south to the north, but anywhere in the world. At the moment, as you can see, I'm away, I'm in Holland, and my wife dropped on me literally last minute saying that we're going to see her family in Holland for 1 month. And the systems and procedures I set up enable me to just be able to not even think about that and just go to Holland and still run my business with multiple deals we've got in legals and going through at the moment. Because anything you could do in person can be done remotely today. And as long as you stick to the fundamentals behind remote property investing, it can be done. Of course, it comes with some trade-offs. Of course, there is challenges, but there's challenges in every single strategy. But as I said, the challenge of raising the deposit could be a game stopper for you completely and a non-starter. So learning how to firstly pick a remote location. You want to stick to one location. You don't want to scatter across multiple locations, but pick a location, how to pick that location, how to find deals in that location, how to raise investment and become investable. Raising investment for like 20k deposits or 100k total purchase price is a lot easier than raising deposits for properties in London, what you may need 200k just for the deposit or £1 million to purchase the property. So then you want to learn how to build networks as well, do it remotely. So whether you're doing this locally or remotely, the same fundamentals work for you. And then the other thing you really want to be thinking about as well is your refurbishment. So one of the biggest questions I get asked about is how to manage refurbs, how to find builders, how to schedule the works and all this sort of stuff. And then how to then get the best valuations when you refinance it. So all these things I just mentioned, we covered on this free workshop, up and coming workshop. It is a free workshop. There is no catches, there's no sales on there, there's no need for credit cards, there's no panic with that. If you turn up on the night, it's gonna be a free competition. You may be thinking to yourself, what is the catch? Why are you doing all this for free? We do run a paid training. So there is no sales of that training on this workshop this week coming up, but what we do offer is a chance to book in a strategy call where you can then look in just a little bit further to see whether or not it'd be a good fit to jump on our paid training, which is a 6-week RBR blueprint showing you how to be able to invest from anywhere, whether you want to go to Holland for a month like I'm in now, or whether you want to just invest in the north, or whether you invest in your own location and you just want to have the freedom to be able to work from home, work from the office, or work from anywhere. So join us on this up and coming workshop. We're going to go through all these parts. As I said, you won't need, there's no sales on there, there's a chance to book in a strategy call, and that's it. The strategy call will be offering you, if it's a right fit, to jump on our paid program, but on the actual free workshop, it's just pure value in the hope that I qualify myself and ethically bribe you enough that you're going to want to then come and spend some money with me. And if I don't do that, then all you've done is spent a little bit of time, which I guarantee you still will take some things away from this. You just spent a little bit of your time to realise this is not the right investment or the right person to take me to the place in my journey where I want to be. So join us on this up and coming workshop. The link will be somewhere in and around this video.